مرحب مرحب يا هلال، أهلا أهلا كيف الحال؟ قد غبت وإليك اشتقنا، وانتهى بعدك صار وصال.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the 10th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the 10th episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Step 10. Plinth beam. After the foundation work is completed, ground beam formwork preparation has been started and poured with concrete. Over the plinth beam, masonry work has been started, and space between foundation and plinth beam filled with soil. Tip 10. Hire a real estate agent. Don't be fooled. The sales representative works for the seller. They represent the developer's interest, not yours. A real estate agent will represent your interest. So, hire a real estate agent. So by this we can conclude the 10th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, Insha Allah.